Hello guys, how you guys doing today? I hope everyone doing good. And thank you so much guys for your sub. I love you all so much. And today I'm going to cook the meatball guys. This is all the spices I have to use. And this is 2 pounds of ground beef. And this is 1 pound of beef. I cut it little pieces guys. And for the spices, I'm going to use 30 pieces red onions, 30 pieces of garlic, and 1 egg. And this is special flour for meatball. I'm going to use 1 pack of this flour. This flour is make meatball taste super delicious and crunchy. Where I buy that? You can buy at 99 rands. They have it in there. Not 99 cents, 99 rands. Okay guys. And I add half kilos of starch. This I already mix it with the special flour. I'm going to blend it with the egg. I blend it all together. And now I'm going to cut it the garlic small pieces. I'm going to cut it very small pieces. Okay, it's good enough. I'm going to put it on the flour. I'm going to blend it together. And this is white pepper. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of white pepper. The red onion I already cut it little pieces. I'm going to fry it first right now. Fry until turn a little bit brown. But don't fry too long guys, okay? Okay, just like that. I'm going to take it out. I'm going to put it with the beef and flour. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of salt, teaspoon of sugar, tablespoon of beef flavor, and add half glass ice water. I'm going to blend it now. Blend it for 7 minutes guys. Okay, it's good enough now. I'm going to take it out now. And this beef don't have to blend it guys. I'm going to mix it like that. I'm going to put it all of them. I'm going to mix it well first. Okay, it's good enough now. I'm going to boil it. I put a little bit of oil in the water. Take little by little first. Squeeze it and cut it with a spoon. And boil it. Do the same thing. Squeeze it, cut it with a spoon, and boil it. And boil it for 15 minutes guys. And when meatball already going up, all of them, so mean it's already cooked guys. I'm going to take it out right now. I'm going to take out all of them. I boil it all of them guys. And this is chili sauce. I'm going to eat it with the meatball. Let me try some. This is from outside. Very soft guys. I'm going to eat it with the chili sauce. Oops. I put too much chili. Let me try. This is from inside, cooked perfectly guys. Let me get some sauce again. I like to put it more chili sauce guys. The chili sauce is not spicy. The meatball is very crunchy, very soft, and it tastes super delicious guys. And this is 3 pounds of meatball. I put it in the plastic. I can to put it in the freezer. The meatball you can cook with everything. And when I want to cook the fried noodle, fried rice, and soup, so I just take it out and eat it. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you next Friday. Thank you guys and have a great weekend. Bye guys.